Oh, gosh, I'm having more fun in here with Bobby. You know, I really like you.
Oh, really?
Yes. I mean, you know, you love your children, but I like you.
That's a nice thing to say, Mama.
That's
I like you, too. Do you like me better than you like Jamie?
Yes.
Wow. Hope you don't see this show.
No, son, I like you equally.
I know, I'm playing.
I know you're pulling my leg.
All right, well, tell them what we're doing now.
Okay, we are making grilled boneless sirloin and 5-day onion skewers, y'all. Now, I'm gonna quarter these onions, Bobby. We're not gonna need them yet. And I'm gonna be making up the marinade for this. So what I'm gonna do is mince up these garlic cloves, Bobby. I've got 8 cloves. And son, you're cutting a 2-pound boneless sirloin. And I'm just gonna throw these in our dish. And you're cubing those into about 2-inch cubes.
Right, this is a beautiful piece of meat. And you can use any kind of meat that you wanted. We just chose to use a sirloin today.
I love sirloin, cheaper cut of meat.
Exactly, that's what I was gonna say, but it's still good. I mean, look at that, how beautiful that is.
All right, now I'm gonna measure out 1/3 of a cup of apple cider vinegar, and I'm just gonna pour that over our garlic cloves.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna use the juice of 1 lemon. And if you'll give me a hand here, Bobby, I need a teaspoon of house seasoning, half a teaspoon of oregano, a teaspoon of paprika.
That's right.
And then a teaspoon of sugar. We're gonna put in a little grated Parmesan cheese. So there you go, son.
All right, now let's whisk that together.
Okie doke. And you wanna start scooping up your meat and tossing it on in here.
All right.
And then I'm just gonna take my hands and I'm just gonna bathe them in that marinade. We wanna marinate this, y'all, for like an hour. All right, son, if you grab the plastic wrap back there, and we're just gonna cover this up and we're gonna toss it in the refrigerator. And I'm just gonna wash my hands real quick.
I just love working with this stuff.
I do too, Bobby. Here, sonny boy. Here, I'll help you.
Thank you.
If you'll grab one end. Hey, wait, where you going? I'm helping you.
Yeah. How many Deens does it take?
To wrap up a pan of meat.
There we go.
Maybe 3.
Yeah, we need to get Jamie on the horn.
All right. So, sonny boy, you can put it,
for about an hour.
Put it in the bottom refrigerator drawer. Now, I'm gonna take a half a stick of butter.
Imagine that.
And I'm making the sauce to cook our onions in over here. But son, that steak looks delicious even raw.
You are hungry.
I'm starving, Bobby. And this is the secret ingredient now for those onions. I'm gonna use 1 teaspoon of beef bouillon granules. Not the cube, but the granules.
All right.
And we're just gonna let that melt on our hot top grill. All right, so Bobby, I'm gonna, this was a big onion, so I'm gonna scale them down a little bit.
All right.
So once again, y'all, we're using the wooden skewers that we've had in water, and we're just gonna take those skewers, and we'll start with an onion, piece of beef, and just 1 more onion and beef piece, y'all, and that's it.
You wanna put them on the grill?
Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yum, look at that.
Looks great.
All right, now I've got some brushes, Bobby, and I'm just gonna start brushing those onions, and that beef bouillon is gonna help our little onions to brown. There we go. What a fabulous meal we have grilled up.
Well, my mouth's watering.
I'm swallowing so hard. Yum. And y'all, these skewers only need to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side. All right, Bobby.
All right, Mama.
I'm still, look, I'm putting extra butter.
You've been eating the whole time.
I'm starving, son. Your cooking is so good.
Neither one of us are starving.
See, and y'all, it took hardly any time to cook. All right, and here's one for me. And another one for me. And another one for me.
Wow.
Now taste this. Look
Kenna?
at that. Now see, I love it medium rare.
Well, that's about what I got too. That's so good.
Look what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that pot of butter and bouillon cube.
No, it ain't.
Yes, it are. Here, son. Taste that I dipped in the butter and the bouillon. And I just adore the onions, Bobby.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.